Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this super simple and tasty bone broth. So for this bone broth, I use celery, carrots, onions, leek, garlic, salt, cloves, peppercorns, star anise, juniper berries, bay leaves, beef shank and bone, and a lot of water. Put all the ingredients in a large pot. You can use leftover veggies for this, and I used these spices because I like how these spices taste with beef. To simplify this recipe, you can opt to only flavor the broth with onion and garlic. And add water. So I put the lid on the pot to retain as much heat while it is cooking. This is the broth after about 2 hours, and you can see the fat of the meat rising to the top. Because this is my largest pot, I'm going to add extra water during the cooking process. If you have a larger pot, I encourage you to use it because you won't have to add more water as it cooks. So I cooked my broth for about 6.5 hours. I take the veggies and bones out using my slotted spoon. Then I take a fine meshed sieve to strain the broth and get rid of the spices. If you want to make this a low-fat broth, after you have cooked it, let it sit overnight and the fat will solidify so you can take it off easier. I like to store it in the fridge because I use it quite often, but it can also be stored in the freezer. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.